In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to copy Google Stitch files into Figma. By the end, you'll know two reliable ways to move your designs from Google Stitch into your Figma workspace, whether you want a quick copy paste or a more structured import using a plugin. First, get your Figma file open and ready. It helps to have a blank canvas or a dedicated page where you want the Stitch content to land. Keep your Stitch project open in another browser tab so you can jump back and forth smoothly. Let's start with the fastest approach, copying directly from Stitch and pasting into Figma. In your Stitch project, select the design elements or frames you want to move. Make sure you've actually highlighted the right content. Click once to select a frame, or drag to select multiple items if needed. Then right-click and choose Copy. Keyboard shortcuts work too, but right-clicking makes it very clear that you've captured exactly what you need. Now switch to Figma. Click once on your target frame or on an empty part of the canvas so Figma knows where to place the content. Then paste. If you want tighter control of placement, use the Paste Here option from the Canvas context menu so it drops exactly where your cursor is. Give it a second to render if the selection was large. This method is great for quick grabs and small sections of a project. If you'd like a more complete packaged transfer, use the download and import method. Back in Stitch, open the main menu using the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Choose Download Project. This will save a zip file of your project to your computer. Keep track of where it lands so you can find it easily. Return to Figma and open the action menu at the bottom of the app. From there, go to Plugins and Widgets. In the search field, look for Stitch to Figma and open it. Inside the plugin, click Browse Files. When prompted, choose the Web Desktop option, then select the zip file you downloaded from Stitch. Start the import and let the plugin process the contents. Larger projects may take a moment, so be patient and avoid clicking away until it finishes. Once complete, your Stitch content will appear in Figma, organized for you to review, align to your grid, and continue designing. That's the full workflow, a quick copy-paste for speed or a structured import for full projects. Use whichever fits your task and file size best, and you'll have your Stitch designs living comfortably in Figma in no time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.